The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: Olive, Oregon, beginning at 10:08 p.m. and ending at 11:08 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Monday, April 22, 2024. The Oregon State Police, at request of the Washington State Patrol, has issued an Amber Alert for Roman Hauser. He is a 1-year-old white male, brown hair, blue eyes, 2 feet tall, and 25 pounds. The suspect is identified as Elias Hauser, age 40. He is a white male, brown hair, brown eyes, 5 feet and 6 inches tall, 170 pounds, and was last seen wearing a black hat, black long sleeve, light blue jeans and black shoes. Elias Hauser is wanted for murdering his ex-wife and girlfriend. They are driving a silver 2009 Toyota Corolla, Washington plate number CBZ4745. Suspect is possibly heading to Mexico. If you have any information regarding this incident, please contact the Oregon Amber Alert tip line at 1-866-5-AMBER-5, 1-866-526-2375, or call 911.